Hey, it's me. I'm back. And it's Steven, and we're in the 1989 dumpster fire Honda Prelude. Go ahead and show us what we got, what we're working with today. What's that sound mean?
There's not enough electricity.
There's not enough electricity, is there? What happened? Did you leave the sound system on all night?
Something is draining the battery.
Probably not. Here's the good news. There is none.
Can we bump start it backwards and reverse?
I think that's the goal. Not into that either. Alright, so just don't hit the pole. Do it.
See, no problem.
Yeah, it's not a big deal.
You just always have to have a friend with you.
So, your alternator doesn't work, or your battery's dead.
Yeah, let's find out when we get to John's.
Get me coffee.
Let's get the hell out of here.
GTR Monty.
What's up? I heard the Prelude doesn't work.
Yep.
How many volts are on the battery as it sits right there?
9.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not a lot.
I know.
Ooh, that's not good.
Set it on fire and push it down the hill?
No, we're not there yet.
That would save us a lot of time painting.
Yes, it would.
Battery only has 9.8 volts.
That explains why it doesn't start.
Yeah.
One reverse light. That's all you need.
Interesting.
Huh. I think I got a bad alternator.
Alright, well, somebody call the parts store. See if they have an alternator.
Hey, I was wondering if you guys had an alternator for a 1989 Honda Prelude?
Yeah, I'm looking to see if you guys have an alternator for a 1989 Honda Prelude.
Oh, okay. You have to order it in.
Alright. Yeah, I'm looking for an alternator for a 1989 Honda Prelude.
Right, well, I'm going to call around, see if anyone has it in town right now, but I might call you back. Thank you.
I appreciate it. Okay, we'll be down there in a bit. O'Reilly's has one in stock, reman only, but 127 lifetime warranty.
Ooh, that's cheaper than everybody else.
Yep, nice.
You got indences stashed away in there?
What size?
I don't know, 12, 14? The normal Japanese sizes.
Does Nissan play by the normal Japanese rules, or do they...
They do. Pretty much 12, 10, 12, 14, 17, and then if you have a GTR, you bust out the 21 every once in a while.
Man, if I had a GTR, I'd just want to kill myself every day.
It's in perfect condition. What are you talking about?
Is it?
It's basically running.
Alright, there's the alternator. Let's go get a new one.
All right.
The headliner all over the place is totally screwed up.
It's not my car, it's my wife's car. It's German engineering, it's weight savings. It's okay, the clutch doesn't work either.
I don't think German engineering's all it's cracked up to be.
I don't know why people think BMWs are the greatest driving machines.
Man, that's not making very good noises, is it?
Wonder if my brand new diff's about to fall out.
You forgot the alternator. How you guys doing? You guys need a coffee break?
Oh, see, it would help if you remembered how you took it off. Hey, Steven, if you go over my toolbox, there's a ratcheting 12mm ring wrench. This is going to give me cancer. Doing this at 8th turn at a time. Yeah, someone go start this stupid thing.
Where's the voltmeter?
Quite the cloud of smoke.
Oh.
Come on, 14. Hey.
13.8.
It'll go up.
13.8 is where it's supposed to be.
It's more than 9 or 8 point whatever we had.
Good thing your paint job is going to cost you less than you were originally expecting, because you just had to spend a bunch of money on an alternator.
It's a good way to look at it.
And that concludes Electrical Problem Part 2.